Hello everyone. This is Aijaz Ahmed from Shinas College, and along with me, Mr. Justin Rajeshekaran, who is a group member in our. He's a member of this project, uh, and we have developed a smart system. We named this project as a smart Wadi gate because we have seen before and read in the newspapers that when wadis high, flow high, and people drivers try to cross the wadi, risking their life because there will not always the policeman will be standing there. So to avoid these kind of problems, their cars get swept away in the water, and people lost their lives by crossing wadis without checking that the wadi is flowing high. So for that, we have developed a project, and in this project, we have automated the gate closing and opening with a flash indicator, or you can say with a light on. So whenever a wadi high, flow high, like to as a source of water in our project, we have taken a lawn sprinkler, which is a source of water. So whenever that, and we have used a water sensor detector. So whenever the water reaches to a certain level, the water sensor detector will detect that level, and it sends a signal uh, to the controller, and the controller will send the signal to the LED light, which we have kept as a flashlight, and also servo, which acts as a gate. So when water reaches to a certain level, automatically the signal will be passed, and the light will be flashed, and the gate will be closed. So gate automatically closes. So no need of a policeman to stand and stop the drivers or the pedestrians crossing the wadis. So this is what our system is, and to control that, we have a laptop we are using, because just to send a signal, or you can say to start the lawn sprinkler, or to turn off the lawn sprinkler. So in this way, we can stop the drivers crossing wadi when wadi is flowing high. So this is the system, and the functionality with the simulation, my friend Mr. Justin will continue. Thank you.
So, um, good afternoon all. And let me explain. I'm Justin. Let me explain the functionalities of our project. As Mr. Aijaz explained, so we have the lawn sprinkler and remote system. Let me open the remote system. So let me open the desktop web browser. So in the web browser, our IP address 192.168.25.1, and the password username is admin, and the password is admin. And now you can see the water resource. So the water source, the status we are given, this is a launch sprinkler, and we can on. As we can on that launch sprinkler, you can see the water is spraying. So this is the launch sprinkler, and when it is off, and the water is off here. So through this we are going to simulate that. And the next one is next one we have a controller. So here we have a water sensor. The water sensor, it detects what is the level of the water, and the controller, as we can see the controller, we have a programming here. So in this program, and we have taken for example, so 100 meter, yeah, so 100 meter, yeah. So we can change the value, or depends on the wadi level, we can change the values here. And as you can see, the values are less than 100, it is 0. So when it is 0, look at the light is off now, and the gate is open. So now the gate is open, and the lights also it's off. So now we run the program. So let me close this, and I will open again from. So yeah, so let me sprinkle the water, or when the water is on, you can see here and
Level.
let me show the level. Look at the program. Yeah, so look at that water sensor value. So because of the water sensor level, it is detecting, and look at the water level, it is increasing, right? So
1,000,
yeah,
more than
so
1,000.
it's more than 1,000, it's increasing. So it's increasing. Now when it is increasing, now you can see, now we can see the LED's light is on, the gate is closed. So now the gate is closed. So now let me stop the water. When we stop the water, look at this, water sprinkler is off here, and the lawn sprinkler is off. Now look at the code, it started reducing, the water level is started reducing because of the sensor. And when it is becomes less than 100, now you can see the LED becomes off, the gate is
Close.
open now. So this is how the simulation it works. So when we can use this project in the Wadi, so that automatically it closed, the gate is closed when the water level is more. So this can be, it's IoT based smart gate system we
Wadi.
have given. Yeah, Wadi
And
project we have given.
and this servo we have taken as a gate, like when it reaches to a certain level, automatically the pointer will move to a right. It's like a gate. It closes the
Yeah.
road, not allowing the drivers to cross the wadi. So this is a simple project we have developed, which is very useful, we think, in Oman, because we have read in newspapers that because no one was protecting or guarding the wadis when wadi is crossing the road, and drivers, without checking the water levels, they used to cross, and they have swept away and lost their lives. So this is our project, which we think that it is useful uh, for the ROP. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the listening to our project. Thank you so much.